This is MI VR handset. This is invoice bill and something like that.
We are
Hang
going
on.
to open it.
Hang on. I'm turn it and open it. Something wrong because I watch many YouTube videos.
You don't trust on MI.
Seriously. ये सील बंद डब्बा भी खोला तुम्हारे सामने खुलेगा कैसे? This is VR handset and this is some cushioning protection and this is invoice, tax invoice, favorite and side all things. And finally I'm open this VR handset. Let us check it properly close, and it's very difficult to open. This is done and this is other side. Seriously, MI is this is VR. This is case. This is okay, done.